Welcome to Passion for Detailing, my friends. Today we are going to GYEONIZE this Audi S4 using only GYEON products. If you're new to the channel and if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and keep your bell notifications on so you don't miss any tips, tricks or future videos. Sit back, relax and let's get GYEONIZED. So the products we're going to use in this video is the GYEON Restart. This is actually a decon shampoo. Big fan of this at the minute. Once the car's been washed, we're then going to use GYEON TYRE to remove any tar spots on the lower part of the car. After that, we're then going to decon the paint using some GYEON iron, and then once the car is clean and dry, we're then going to use some prep and use the new GYEON wax, as I'm a massive fan of this, to protect the paintwork for the winter months. And then the wheels will have a good clean with the new GYEON iron wheel cleaner. I haven't yet reviewed this product, but I will do in due course. And then to protect those wheels, to make it nice and simple, we're going to use GYEON wet coat. But yeah, these are all the products we're going to use today. And then on the interior of the car, we're going to use the GYEON leather cleaner. This is the mild one. I have got another bottle of it. I prefer the smaller bottles, it's easier to store. So yeah, GYEONIZED. Whoa, that was a windy one. You can tell winter is actually coming. The S4 is absolutely looking top notch. The owner's going to be really, really chuffed with it. I really enjoyed using the GYEON products, and if you haven't already tried them, I'll leave the links to all the products in the description below at Into Detailing. You check them out there. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and keep your bell notifications on so you don't miss any tips, tricks or future videos. Thank you for watching, and if you want to see some turtle wax videos, click here and I'll see you in the next one.